I'm going to show you how to set up conversion tracking. So install this for when a visitor has submitted a contact form or a lead form on your page, and where you have a thank you page for this. So meaning that the URL changes when someone has submitted this form. Okay, so this is what the account looks like when nothing is installed or set up yet. As you can see, there are no tags. This is empty. This is the overview page. And we also have no triggers. And these are the two things that we're gonna set up, tags and triggers. Setting up conversion tracking for a thank you page is the most simple form. There are a lot of steps, but it's quite simple once you follow this. Okay, so let's get started. All I have to do is click add a new tag here, or I can go to tags and then click here on new. Now I need to name this tag so as to remember what kind of conversion action is it. So it could be send contact. Then I will click here and select Google Ads. Yeah, you will see here, because I can click on conversion linker, which is actually the first one I need to add, or if I click here, yeah, it will say that it's missing, and then I just say create. Conversion linker is like the first type of tag that we need to install. So even if you skip this step, it will remind you to add it. So I will click create. And then I will call this one conversion linker. Yeah, and this has to trigger on all page views. So the default here is correct. And I will just say save. Good. So now we get back to sending the contact here. So I need to fill out conversion ID and conversion label. And this is what I find from the Google Ads account. Now we need to go to our Google Ads account to copy the conversion ID and conversion label if we have already started these first steps in the account to set up the conversion in here. So I have already done this, and I will copy the conversion ID first and then the conversion label. If you've already created the trigger, you can just click save, but we haven't created it yet. So I will click here. And I don't want to choose those that are already existing here. We want to add a new one. And then I will name this trigger. So to remember what this trigger is about, it's a page view and it's for submit contact form. And then I will click here and select page view. And it won't be all page views of the website, it will just be some. And then I will say page URL contains, and it will be, depending on what it is on your site, contact thank you. That's all. And now I can say save. And then I will also save here. And after this, I will say submit and publish. Continue. Good. Now we can see that it's set up. So, and it's being published. So if I go to my workspace here, and I will check what is on in my tags. Yes, I can see the two are up with the conversion linker and the send contact. So the next step now is to verify that this one is working, which has to be done with Tag Assistant.